to Vault 112, resident. According to sensors, you have arrived 202.3 years behind schedule. Please redress in your Vault Tech-issued Vault suit before proceeding. If you have misplaced your suit, I am authorized to distribute a new one. Once dressed, please proceed down the stairs to the main floor so that you may enter your assigned Tranquility lounger. Please find the nearest Tranquility lounger and be seated.
To look for a new robot? I know you're not comfortable with yours. I don't want a new one.
Good day to you, young master. The Henderson estate is in tip-top shape, young master. Have a wonderful day.
Hey there, sport. Beautiful day, isn't it? Say, you should go talk to Betty. She's waiting for you over on the playground. Have fun, sport.
Hi there. Oh, someone new to play with. What good luck I have lately. I was just starting to get bored. Oh, we're going to have so much fun. Gee, I don't know. What's he like? And he's new here too, isn't he? Oh boy, he's your daddy, huh? I had no idea. That makes this even more fun. Let's play. Oh, don't be mean. That's not a good way to start. I said we're going to play a game, so that's what we're going to do. I knew you would. It's a really simple game. All you have to do is make Timmy Newsbum cry. You can? I guess we'll see. Huh. Good luck.
Good day. Hello.
Good day.
Hello. Hello.
Good day.
Hello.
Hi there, I'm Jimmy. Wanna play? What? No, I'm not. But I don't wanna go away. I don't wanna leave my mommy. No. You did it! Good job!
A clever approach. I'm not sure I would have considered it. Very encouraging. Your reward for winning the game is to ask a single question. I will answer honestly and frankly. Yes. A predictable question, I suppose. Your father is here, in Tranquility Lane. He is quite safe for now, though he can no longer hound me with his incessant questioning.
Perhaps you will see more of him in time. Now that is just the sort of question you should be asking.
You understand that I am in control then? Excellent. You are far more promising than your father. Pay a visit to the Rockwells. They are very happily married, and I'd like you to change that. Put an end to their marriage, and we'll talk.
Excellent. I so enjoy that can-do spirit.
You don't belong here. You're not supposed to be here. It's not real, none of it. It needs to end. The suffering must end. We're not really here. We're not really talking. It's all the dream became a nightmare. It has to end. Just has to. But we're not in charge. He is. And he doesn't want us to wake up. You can't fool me. You know I'm right. You know none of this is real.
Hello.
Good day. Good day to you. What? What a horrible thing to say! Our marriage? Oh, goodness, what kind of a question is that? Mabel didn't put you up to this, did she? What a silly thing to ask about. Have a great day. Good day to you. Roger suggested we move here. I don't quite remember when that was. It's very nice. We're doing quite well. Take care now.
Well, hi there. You won't find a day like this anywhere else. Now see here, that's not anything for you to be asking about. Our marriage is our business and it's private. Why can't people just understand that and just leave us alone? Now that's not funny. Not one bit. He disappeared on you, huh? Don't worry, I'm sure you'll find him soon. Heck of a place to live. Janet and I, well, we're quite happy here. Sure, sport, whatever you say. Have a great day. Hello.
Well, hi there. Why are you asking me? I don't know anything. And why should I care about their marriage anyway? People around here should mind their own business. I suppose I hadn't really noticed. Sorry, kiddo, but I'm not in the mood for jokes. Bye-bye!